You just go nice and slow. Once the heat gun's hot, you don't really even have to heat the plastic that much. It's like 2 passes over it. I guess I could do this whole set of fenders in, you know, less than an hour, but I tell you what, it's got a stink to her, boys. That sucker on high. Just keep her moving. A side effect from some of the mullet starting fluid, he's actually starting to hit. That's hair.
Yeah, that's hair.
So he's gonna have an eye stash. And
no, but a trick to working in the shop, if you take Viagra, you won't have to piss all day and you can just drink beer and bang and never have to piss. Stomach hurts, so.
I can't even smell it anymore.
I can't smell it no more.
I know, I'm just straight up huffing it, so.
got most of it done. We're gonna power wash in a minute. Show us a little strip. Look at that. Look at her, boy. And what kind of paint you using, Blake? Oh, that's your mullet gun. That's your mullet blow dryer.
Yeah, this is the mullet heat.
Straightener.
I don't know.
So, he's a little intoxicated from the crayons.
Yeah, I've been eating too many.
Between eating them and smoking them. Look at that new seat, boys. And the plastic was all trash. We heated her up. Blake's a couple spots left, right in the gas tank area. Doesn't feel too bloated. It's like me on taco night. She's about to rip. Stinks, right?
Are you guys gonna
wash it?
wash it again?
We're gonna wash it really well, and then we're gonna do the like WD-40 or something. SC1.
No, the magic erasers.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So, get the black marks off.
Blake's got that wild ass fucking. Is that a Samsquanch?
Yeah.
An Arctic one.
Yeah, it is.
I've been seeing him creeping around lately and acting real horned up. It ain't nowhere near perfect, but it's red again instead of pink. It's still got a couple spots we could probably go over a little harder. Let's see how it's lighter there. Lighter in a couple little spots. But, man, new seat. She's all red again. That's pretty neat. How long did that take with the thing? The whole heat gun? You did what, 75% of it?
Yeah, I'd say maybe an hour tops.
To do 75% of that quad?
Yep.
So 2 hours tops with the power washing. And you could go from that nastiness to something like this. The seat probably took me 45 minutes or so.